Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram could not load activity. So guys, when you open your Instagram app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your settings in your Android phone or iPhone, and guys, after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and after opening Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget, and guys, after this you need to connect it again with your phone, and guys, after this you need to go back. And the second method is, guys, you need to open your Play Store. So guys, if you have Android phone, then you need to open your Play Store, and if you have iPhone, then you need to open your App Store in that phone. So guys, I have Android, therefore I am opening here Play Store, and guys, after this here you need to search Instagram, and guys, after searching it, you need to click on Instagram and update your Instagram app. So guys, I have already updated this app. So guys, if you have any kind of update in this tab, so guys, then you need to update your app, and guys, after updating it, you need to go back. And the third method is, you need to open your settings again, scroll it down, and guys, after this you need to click on app management. Here you can see app management, click here and click on app list, and guys, after this you need to wait, and here you need to find Instagram. So guys, if can't find, then you need to search here Instagram, and guys, after searching here, here you can see Instagram, you need to click here, and guys, after this you need to click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache and clear storage, and guys, after this you need to go back and go and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this issue still, then you need to open your settings again, and guys, after this you need to scroll down, click on system, and guys, after this you need to click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and guys, firstly you need to select sim 1 and click on reset, and after this you need to select sim 2 and click on reset, and guys, after doing reset network setting, then all the problems are fixed, and guys, after this you will be open and use your Instagram account smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.